Belper Knolle is garlic and black pepper and cheese, but kind of like truffle. And it's fun to substitute into other recipes where you would expect to see Parmigiano or where you would expect to see black truffle, but its name is Belper Knolle, and I am a monster, so why not Belper Knolle? We have some ricotta and lemon zest and black pepper, and the Belper's going in there, and we're gonna see if I've really lost it. And there's a good chance that I have. That's fine. Put me in a nice home, everybody. But I like the idea of sweet and savory juxtaposed against each other in a place where you would expect supremely sweet flavors. So that's where it's going. And because I have the opinions of a child and I'm a trash can raccoon person, we're using a Ziploc instead of a piping bag, but it's for funsies. So you need cannoli shells. You could use lady fingers and just fake the tiramisu thing, but food's supposed to be fun. Don't forget that. You're supposed to be eating for enjoyment. Not everything has to be fuel. It doesn't have to be that serious. Maybe like just have some fun with it. So what looks like it should be sweet, probably not as sweet, but in a really great way. You might surprise your friends, you might offend your friends. That's the best. I love a dinner party where somebody gets so upset that they have to really rethink what they thought food was or would be, but hot damn, she cute. Yeah, that'll do.